Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for October 9th, 2025. If you're enjoying these translations, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now, let's look at what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 16 Winal, and the 8 Kin. The long count brings the theme of justice and accountability. Today is about ensuring fairness in your life and finding balance between spiritual growth and practical responsibility. The 8 Kin is about justice, balance, responsibility, and manifestation. You're being asked to revisit areas of imbalance in your life and restore fairness, and to take accountability for choices and their ripple effects. This is a good day to ground your spiritual practices in practical commitments. Now let's explore what the Tzolk'in calendar has to say. Today's date is 4 Kib. Kib is represented by the vulture, purification, and forgiveness. It's symbolized by purification, release of toxins, and forgiveness. It transforms decay into nourishment, showing how endings support renewal. It's also connected with ancestral wisdom and healing. The number 4 brings stability, structure, and grounding. It's a number that asks us to establish frameworks and foundations for growth. Collectively, 4 Kib invites you to build stable foundations through forgiveness and cleansing. This is a day to release what weighs you down, such as old resentments, judgments, or patterns, and to ground your life in integrity and healing. You're being asked to write down and release an old resentment and to establish healthy foundations in your relationships through forgiveness. This is also a good day to honor your ancestors with gratitude or prayer. Now, let's move on to the Hob calendar. Today's Hob date is 9 Kumk'u. Kumk'u is represented by unions, fertility, and cosmic creation. It's about fertility, duality, and the balance that sustains creation. It's also a symbol of cosmic union and abundance. Day 9 reflects spiritual maturity, patience, and cycles of completion. Collectively, 9 Kumk'u teaches that creation thrives in balance and patience. Today is a reminder that your creative union with life is sacred. True growth requires harmony and honoring both cycles of building and releasing. You're being asked to seek harmony in partnerships and collaborations and to embrace patience in creative or personal situations. This is a time to balance work with rest and action with reflection. You're also being encouraged to engage with the fertility of ideas and nurture what is ready to grow. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. The calendars today weaves together justice and balance from the long count, the purification and forgiveness from Kib, and cosmic union and patience in today's Kumk'u. This is a day of cleansing and rebalancing, releasing what no longer serves, while also laying strong, fair foundations for future growth. You're being asked to nurture partnerships with patience and harmony, and to bring fairness and balance into a situation. This is a time to release resentment and open space for renewal. Lastly, this would be a good day to perform a personal or space-clearing ritual. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars. I release what no longer serves me, restoring balance through forgiveness, patience, and harmony. Thanks for your support.